20 nautical miles, Long Island Sound, west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, Peconic and Gardeners
Whoa.
Bays, Long Island South Shore Bays, until 7 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., stronger thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Montauk Point to 6 nautical miles southeast of Little Peconic Bay to near Morges Bay to near Smithtown Bay, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Stronger thunderstorms will be near Montauk Shoal, Morges Bay, Morges Inlet, Shinnecock Bay, Shinnecock Inlet, West Hampton Beach, and Montauk Point around 6:10 p.m. Great South Bay around 6:25 p.m. Boaters should seek
Oh my
safe
God.
harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, high
around
winds,
80.
lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms.
Okay, I show you.
Impossible. Keep away from ungrounded
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 7 p.m.
Strong thunderstorms over the waters. The areas affected include the open waters 20 to 40 nautical miles south of Fire Island Inlet to Morges Inlet, New York. Morges Inlet to Montauk Point, New York, out 40 nautical miles at 6:06 p.m. Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms capable of producing winds of around 30 knots. These thunderstorms were located along the island, extending from 7 nautical miles east of Buoy 44,017 to 19 nautical miles southeast of Buoy 44025. Moving to thunderstorm warning for Kansas, Central Block.